Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Starlights is probably one of the most enchanting and versatile additions to any holiday or festive decoration, capable of transforming ordinary spaces into magical winter wonderlands with their twinkling brilliance and celestial charm. These luminous accents are not just for Christmas. They can add a touch of wonder to parties, weddings, or simply create a cozy ambience in your home year-round, making them a truly worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their decor with a touch of starlight magic. Imagine the awe on your guests' faces as they step into a room bathed in the soft, ethereal glow of these celestial-inspired lights, creating unforgettable memories and a truly captivating atmosphere. Number 5. Twinkle Star 300 LED Curtain String Lights. Transform your space with these enchanting LED curtain lights. Choose from 8 different modes to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. These lights are designed with your safety in mind, featuring a UL-certified transformer for a secure 29V output. Enjoy peace of mind with their excellent quality. Decorating is a breeze with these plug-and-play lights. Simply connect them to a standard US outlet and enjoy instant illumination. The generous cord length offers flexible placement. Perfect for any celebration, these lights are waterproof, IP44, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Add a festive touch to weddings, parties, holidays, and more. Elevate your home, windows, or backdrops with the mesmerizing glow of these LED string lights. They are designed to add a touch of magic and elegance to any setting. The transformer and controller are IP44 waterproof, offering protection for outdoor use. For best results, use a waterproof cover when exposed to the elements. Installation is straightforward. Use the provided buckle to secure the main power cord, but remember not to cut it to ensure the lights function correctly. What we like? If you're looking to create a magical ambience for various events, this curtain light is a fantastic choice. Its 8 different modes allow for endless customization, perfect for parties, weddings, or even just a cozy bedroom. The waterproof design means you can use it both indoors and outdoors, making it incredibly versatile for any occasion. What people say? The star lights are very bright and have a good range of colors. Easy to set up and the remote control works well for changing modes and brightness. The star shape is a nice touch and looks great on the tree. Number 4. Twinkle Star 100 LED Star String Lights. Introducing the Twinkle Star 100 LED Star String Lights, perfect for adding a warm, festive glow to any occasion. These lights are designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making them incredibly versatile. Specifically designed for Ramadan, these waterproof star-shaped lights create a sacred ambience. With 8 different modes, you can set the perfect mood for 30 nights of celebration. Crafted with high-quality, shatterproof plastic, these lights feature 100 energy-saving LEDs. They operate on a safe 30V low voltage and are UL certified for your peace of mind. Need more light? These lights feature an extendable design, allowing you to connect up to 10 chains for a total of 344.5 feet. Perfect for decorating larger areas. With IP44 waterproof wiring and bulbs, you can confidently use these lights indoors or outdoors. They are ideal for decorating trees, gardens, patios, or even your bedroom. Choose from 8 distinct lighting modes to match any occasion, mood, or holiday. Whether it's a party, wedding, or just a cozy night in, there's a setting for everyone. From Christmas and parties to weddings and home decor, these lights are suitable for a wide range of applications. They add a touch of magic to any festival or commercial space. What we like? For those who need to cover a larger area or want the flexibility to expand their lighting setup, this star string light is ideal. Its extendable design allows you to connect multiple chains, perfect for decorating large trees, patios, or entire houses. The charming star-shaped LEDs add a special touch, and its waterproof nature ensures it can withstand the elements for extended celebrations. What people say? The star lights are a beautiful addition to the Christmas tree, with a warm and inviting glow. Easy to set up and adjust, the star lights provide a festive atmosphere without any hassle. The durable construction ensures these star lights will last for many holiday seasons to come. Number 3. TOFU Star Curtain Lights. Transform your space with these enchanting star curtain lights. They bring a touch of magic to any occasion, creating a truly captivating ambience. Perfect for any celebration, from holidays to parties. These lights are designed to add a festive glow to your windows, walls, and outdoor spaces. With 8 flashing modes and a convenient remote control, you can easily set the perfect mood. Create a unique atmosphere for every moment. Enjoy a warm and inviting atmosphere with these energy-saving LED lights. They are safe to touch and perfect for creating a cozy environment for your family. Crafted with high-quality materials, these lights are built to last. They are simple to install and can be connected together for even more dazzling displays. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, these lights are waterproof and ready to shine in any weather. They are perfect for adding sparkle to your patio or balcony. What we like? If you appreciate convenience and a bit more visual impact, this star curtain light is a great option. The inclusion of a remote control with memory function makes adjusting modes and settings effortless. With larger star ornaments and the ability to connect multiple sets, it's perfect for creating a grand statement for holidays or special events where ease of use and a prominent display are key. What people say. The star lights are a beautiful addition to my Christmas tree, casting a warm and inviting glow. Easy to set up and the different lighting modes are a nice touch, allowing for customization. The quality of the lights is excellent, they feel durable and well-made, and the star shape is unique and festive. Number 2. Elf Logic 21 LED Moravian Star. Introducing our stunning 21-inch Moravian star, designed to bring a brilliant glow to your holiday season. This large, eye-catching piece is perfect for adding a touch of magic to your porch, patio, or rooftop. Whether you're decorating indoors or out, this star is the perfect choice. It comes with a sturdy hook, making it easy to hang on your porch, patio, or even from high ceilings in your entryway. This beautifully crafted 3D star features a seamless, classic pointed design that complements any holiday decor. Its elegant form adds a sophisticated touch to your festive arrangements. More than just a decoration, this star symbolizes the Star of Bethlehem, spreading holiday cheer and tradition. It's ideal for Christmas, general holiday decorations, or even as a centerpiece for a Christmas play. Assembly is a breeze with our press and clip design, ensuring a geometrically perfect and incredibly sturdy star. While it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to assemble, the stunning results are well worth the effort. What we like? For those who want a striking, traditional holiday centerpiece, this large Moravian star is the perfect fit. Its impressive 21-inch size and classic 3D design make it a standout decoration for porches, rooftops, or entryways. While it requires assembly, the sturdy and geometrically perfect result offers a superior look for a truly impactful holiday display. What people say. The lights are very bright and have multiple modes to choose from. Easy to set up and looks great on the tree. The star shape is a nice touch and adds a festive feel to the room. Number 1. Elf Logic Large 18-inch Easy Assembly Warm White LED Moravian Star. Introducing our 18-inch Moravian star, designed to cast a warm, inviting glow. Its perfect size makes it ideal for your porch, patio, or rooftop, complementing your existing white Christmas lights beautifully. This star boasts a perfect 3-dimensional design that elegantly complements other holiday decorations. Its seamless, classic pointed star shape ensures a sophisticated look without any clunky parts. Equipped with a durable hook, this star is ready to be hung anywhere. Use it as a charming porch or patio light, or bring its radiance indoors to illuminate tall entryways and foyers. This classic white star is designed to spread holiday cheer and tradition, symbolizing the Star of Bethlehem. It's perfect for Christmas, general holiday decorations, or even as a Bethlehem star for a Christmas play. Forget complicated setups. Our hanging star features a fast, press and clip design for easy, hassle-free assembly. It's a fantastic decoration suitable for all seasons. What we like? If you're looking for a beautiful, eye-catching star decoration that's incredibly easy to set up, this 18-inch Moravian star is for you. Its quick press and clip assembly means you can have it ready in minutes, perfect for adding instant holiday cheer to your porch, patio, or indoor space. The elegant 3D design provides a wonderful glow, making it a hassle-free way to enhance your seasonal decor. What people say. The star lights are a beautiful addition to the Christmas tree, with a bright and warm glow. Easy to set up and the remote control function is very convenient for changing modes and brightness. The star shape is unique and adds a festive touch to the holiday decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.